Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Neefah. I'm a mother of one son. I'm a truck driver. I'm also an entrepreneur. I sell lipsticks, lashes, and purses. And I'm an artist. And you can check out my music right here on YouTube. There's a whole playlist for you. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Right now we are in my third bedroom. That's actually a storage room. But what we're getting out of the storage room today is Valentine's decorations. It's time to clean and reset. Hey, Ace.
What's up, y'all? I'm doing my homework. I'm finna read the Cat Comic Club. Bing, 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 bing. The chapter book by Dogman. And I can't wait till the new Dogman movie come out. So y'all stay tuned for that.
All right.
January 31st.
We're going to do a review, a movie review. All right then. Thank you, Ace. Okay, so Ace is doing his homework. My mama is here. She's watching the movie Devotion. She never watched that. So I'm about to do some cleaning and I'm also going to do some redecorating. So y'all are going to see how I decorate for Valentine's Day. Hopefully you like it. If not, that's okay. It's not your house, it's mine. I actually love Valentine's Day. So here is some of the pillows I'm going to use. I have 3 of these. And then I'll show you how I store my decorations real quick. So stay tuned. So this is the Valentine's Day decor little pink storage box. And here's all the decor. Y'all can see the pink and the red. So let's go and take the winter decorations down and put these up. So stay tuned. So I ordered these flameless candles off of Amazon, and I already am using 2, so I got 3 more left. I got to put the batteries in, but you know what? I'm going to switch out those candles for these flameless ones. And this design right here is not even staying, so y'all just stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you work hard and stay humble. Bye.